Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy and send Bitcoin on Kraken Pro. In order to buy Bitcoin, you have two ways on Kraken Pro, especially. If you have cash on the side and you want to buy a couple of Bitcoin just to trade, you're gonna go ahead and select your favorite trading pair. Let's say BTC USD, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit buy at the bottom left. Please be aware that this is not a financial advice, so whatever I do next, you must study the market first because it's highly, especially crypto, it's highly volatile. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit buy, right? And select the amount of Bitcoin you want to receive, I want amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, right? Scroll a little bit down, and of course set the TP and SL, right? Make it simple. Enter the percentage of profit, want to skim off the top, or the amount you want, so it triggers when you lose a trade. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, just hit buy Bitcoin, right? Another way of buying Bitcoin is through the chain, right? Hit portfolio at the bottom right, and then what you're gonna do, hit deposit and select Bitcoin, right? Select your favorite network, say Lightning, and then what you're gonna do, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to receive, right? And then you're gonna be able to deposit the Bitcoin from the other wallet, right? If you're using Phantom or Trust Wallet, whatever, and you have a couple Bitcoin, you're gonna enter the address generated by Kraken in order to copy the address and paste it there, so you can receive, of course, Bitcoin, right? And that's the second way of receiving Bitcoin, right? Or buying Bitcoin, technically. In order now to send Bitcoin on Kraken Pro, what you're gonna do, stay on the portfolio, hit withdraw, and we're gonna select Bitcoin, right? Next, select your favorite network and make sure it's identical to the other wallet, right? And then what you're gonna do, enter the address generated by the other wallet, so you can withdraw Bitcoin or send Bitcoin, okay? And you're gonna confirm, obviously, that this is you. They're gonna send a verification link, and then you're gonna enter the code presented or provided by Kraken in order to confirm that you made that transaction. And you're gonna receive it in a matter of, you're gonna withdraw in a matter, or it will be sent in a matter of minutes. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.